an alcoholic.
Oh, no, I never touched the stuff. But you
What?
have to be drunk to know the value of Amway. Now, this is used crankcase oil, which you ladies know is murder to clean up, you know. And company's coming. Oh, you're doing this at the worst possible time. Oh, your fingers are...
What are you telling that kitty?
I have a problem with alcohol and I need
What?
help.
Well, your recovery begins
What is it,
today,
Clarice?
and we promise you all the sugar cookies and secondhand smoke you can handle.
The sugar cookies you speak of,
Oh.
are they real or symbolic?
What?
They're on that table over there.
Well, I don't want to walk that far.
Honey, hit pause for a
Anything that
second.
takes 12 steps.
What? Is there another kitty over there on the other side? Oh, do you want to get to that other kitty? Huh? Oh, okay. Take your time.
She's just making noise.
Take your time.
Steps isn't worth doing. Get it? Huh? 12 steps? Hey, how did I get out here?
Clarice. What a pretty girl. Who's a pretty girl?
The Springfield
Are you the pretty girl?
new cover.
It does?
Send us your Snapchat, and if we select
Yes, Clarice.
By the governor during last year's presidential election. First, the worst, Social Security already went.